In this video, we will guide you through how to create a low poly tree in Blender. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, just press Shift A on a keyboard and add a mesh for cube. Just go to the edit mode by pressing Tab key on a keyboard and press 1 to switch to vertex. Now press M and choose at center to merge everything into a straight point. Now with that point selected, just press E key on your keyboard like so to extrude, and keep extruding multiple times to create a simple branch like structure for your tree. And now once extruded, you can just click off to apply, and after clicking off, just press E key on your keyboard once again and extend and click off to apply and make your simple tree. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make a simple tree. And then once you have created a simple tree-like structure, just press A to select all and go to the modifier properties, which is a small range icon. Just click on it and click on add modifier. Just hover over generate and select the skin option, and this will give the thickness to your branches. Now once the thickness has been successfully added, just go to the wireframe and now just select any vertex and press Ctrl A to adjust the thickness and the shape of the tree. So as the trunk of the tree is a little bit thicker, I'll just select the vertex at the trunk and press Ctrl A and adjust the thickness of the trunk like so. And so basically the branches are a little thinner, so I'll just select the branches like so, and after selecting the branches, I'll just press Ctrl A and decrease the size of the branches like so. And once that you have done that, you can just go to the viewport shading. Now let's add some leaves. Just go to the object mode by pressing Tab key and press Shift A and add a mesh for isosphere. And with the isosphere selected, just don't press any key now and go to the bottom left and click on add isosphere, and make sure to select the subdivision to 1 and hit enter for the low poly look. Now you can move it using the G key on your keyboard, and if you want to scale it up, you can press the S key and you can scale it up like so. So I'm just gonna move it by pressing G, and once that it is in the desired position and with the leaf selected, just go to the sculpting tab and you can just press G key on your keyboard to adjust the shape of the leaves. So I'll just go ahead and adjust it a little bit. So you will see this yellow dot, you can just drag it like so and you can get the low poly look that you want. So I'm just gonna edit it a little, and once that I'm happy with the look, I'll just go to the layout mode and press Shift D key on your keyboard to duplicate it like so and click off to apply, and I'll just continue it until I have sufficient leaf. And once I have enough leaf, I'll just position them by pressing G, and once I have positioned them, now let's add some color. So basically, just select the trunk and go to the materials tab. Just click on new and you can rename the trunk, but I'm just gonna leave it at default, and just go to the base color and click on color. So basically the trunk is a little brown, so I'll just decrease the shader like so and select a brownish color. And once you have adjusted the brownish color, I will just go to the viewport shading and you will see we have successfully applied the color. Now let's add color to some leaves. So I'll just select the first leaf and go to the material tab and click on plus new and give it a name like leaf. Just click on the base color and select the color for the leaf, which in my case is going to be green. And once I have done that, I can just click off to apply. Now just select any leaf like so and go to the modifier tab and you will see a little modifier icon. Just click on it and select your leaf from here and the color will be successfully applied. Now repeat this process for all the other leaves. Now finally, just select all the leaf object by pressing Shift and only select the leaf like so and press Ctrl J key on your keyboard to join them into one single mesh. And that's it. You have successfully created a low poly tree in Blender. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.